Hello, students. Today we will study nomenclature of phenols. Last time we had completed the study of nomenclature of alcohols, that is, common names and IUPAC names. Now we will study nomenclature of phenols and ethers. First, nomenclature of phenol. So these phenols are hydroxy derivatives of benzene. They are called as a phenol. This is also called as a benzenol. That is, IUPAC name of this phenol is benzenol, and the common name of phenol that is also accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. So in the common names, prefix ortho, meta, and para are used in substituted phenols. And in IUPAC nomenclature, these locants used are this 2, 3, and 4. So like this, we will study examples of phenols, how their names are given. This table consists of this structure, common name, and IUPAC name of phenol. So the first example is the benzene ring is bonded with this OH group. This is commonly called as a phenol. And IUPAC name can be given as a phenol, or the suffix E from the benzene, that is the name of hydrocarbon, replaced by OL, and the name obtained is benzenol. So IUPAC name can be given as benzenol or phenol. Second example is this benzene ring is bonded with OH and CH3. So it is commonly called as orthocresol. Common name of this phenol is orthocresol, and IUPAC name can be given as, we know, benzene ring containing OH group is a phenol, and this is second position. So methyl group is present at second position, therefore it is called as a 2-methyl phenol. That is IUPAC name. Now next example, here OH group and NO2 group, they are present at para position to each other. So nitro group is present in phenol at para position, hence common name is given as a para-nitrophenol. This fourth position is para position, and therefore instead of para here we can put as a 4, and the name can be given as para-nitrophenol. So that is common and IUPAC name of this example. Then next example is, this is OH group containing, 2 OH group containing phenol. This is commonly called as a catechol, and IUPAC name similar to alcohol. This is a dihedric phenol. So we had studied how names of dihedric alcohols are given. Their name of hydrocarbon, here suffix E is not replaced, and the positions of OH group, here 2 OH group, therefore di, and OL is a suffix used for OH group. So correct IUPAC name is a benzene 1,2-diol. Similarly, next example, here the OH groups, again 2 OH groups are present. They are present at first and third position. So therefore the common name is given as, this is resorcinol, and IUPAC name given as benzene 1,3-diol. Here again it is a dihydroxyphenol, therefore it is first benzene, then 1,3-diol is used. Next example is, here OH groups are present, again two, but they are present at para position to each other or 1,4 position, and common name is given as hydroquinone. Common name is given as hydroquinone or also called as a quinol, and IUPAC name is given as a benzene 1,4-diol. So that is IUPAC name. Then next example, here the benzene ring bonded with three OH groups. Commonly it is called as a fluoroglucinol. Fluoroglucinol is a common name, and IUPAC name is a benzene 1,3,5-triol, triol. So it is a trihydroxyphenol containing OH groups at first carbon, third carbon and fifth carbon. Therefore, name is given as benzene 1,3,5-triol. Next example, last example given in this textbook, that is a benzene ring containing again three OH groups, but they are present at 1, 2 and 3 position, and common name is given as pyrogalol, and IUPAC name is given as benzene 1,2,3-triol. So that is about the common names and IUPAC names of phenol. Now we will study nomenclature of ethers, that is how names of ethers are given. So in the nomenclature of ether, first we will study common names. So these common names are given by writing the name of alkyl group attached to oxygen atom according to alphabetical order, and then word ether is added. This is applied when the alkyl groups are different, or if the same alkyl groups are present, then the prefix we can use as a di. So this is about the common names of ethers, how they are given. Then in the IUPAC name, the ethers are named as alkoxyalkanes. Here, the large alkyl group is considered as an alkane part, and the small alkyl group is considered as an alkoxy group. So while giving a IUPAC name of ether, the name given as a first name of alkoxy group and then name of alkane part. So alkoxy alkane. Here some examples of alkyl groups are given. So here it is CH3, CH2O is a ethoxy, 2 carbon containing, 3 carbon in a straight chain. With oxygen it is called as a N-propoxy. Then 3 carbon atom in a branched chain. With oxygen it is called as a isopropoxy. So these are the examples of some alkyl groups. Similarly, here I will add one example. It is a CH3O. So it is named as a methoxy. Here the example is given, one example is given. Here CH3O, CH, CH3 and CH3. Here the large alkyl group is a propane part, where the carbon are numbered as a 1, 2 and 3. Second carbon contains this methoxy group, CH3O. Group is bonded to second carbon in this alkyl group. So correct IUPAC name is given as a 2-methoxypropane. So in this way, names of these ethers are given. Now we will study examples of ethers, how their common and IUPAC names are given. So this table consists of examples of ethers, that is their structural formula, then common name and IUPAC name. So first example is, it is CH3OCH3. Here both alkyl groups are the methyl, therefore we will use dimethyl, and then name ether is given. So common name is dimethyl ether. IUPAC name of this ether is, here one alkyl group is methane, one alkane part is a methane, and other alkoxy group is a methoxy. And therefore, while giving IUPAC name, first name of alkoxy group and then name of alkane part is given. So correct name is a methoxy methane. Second example here, CH3O. This is alkoxy group, and CH2CH3. This is the alkane part. First we will give common name. Here name of CH3 group is a methyl and name of C2H5 group is ethyl. So according to alphabetical order, first name is ethyl, then methyl, and then ether. So this is correct common name for this ether. Now in the IUPAC nomenclature, the CH3O group is the small group with oxygen named as a methoxy, and this is a large alkyl group. It is a 2 carbon containing, therefore name of alkane part is given as ethane, and the correct IUPAC name of this ether is methoxyethane. Next example is CH3 CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. Here while giving common name, one of the alkyl group is a methyl and other alkyl group is a N-propyl. So according to alphabetical order, correct common name is methyl N-propyl ether, and in the IUPAC nomenclature, the large alkyl group is a 3 carbon containing, therefore it is named as a propane, and the small alkyl group with oxygen is named as alkoxy. Here 1 carbon containing alkoxy group is a methoxy, and this is present on carbon number 1 in 3 carbon containing alkane propane, therefore correct name is 1-methoxy propane. Next example is here C6H5 group. We know C6H5 group is named as a phenyl. Here C6H5OCH3. So other alkyl group is a methyl, one alkyl group is a phenyl. According to alphabetical order, the name of ether is given as methyl phenyl ether. For this ether, one more common name given as a anisole. Then here the small alkyl group is methyl with oxygen named as a methoxy, and here the large alkyl group, that is a hydrocarbon part, is a benzene. So it is a methoxybenzene is IUPAC name. The next example is here the benzene ring bonded with oxygen, and then CH2 CH2, here must be CH3. So this is a propyl group. So there are two groups, one is a phenyl and other is a N-propyl. So correct common name is a phenyl N-propyl ether, and IUPAC name is, here this propane is a long carbon chain. This is propane group, propoxy group, sorry. It is a propoxy group bonded with benzene hydrocarbon part. So it is present at carbon number 1. So it is a 1-propoxy benzene is correct IUPAC name for this ether. Now, while giving IUPAC name of this ether, here common name is not given. It is a complex structure. So here the methoxy group is the smallest alkyl group present. Here the cyclobutane ring is present. Here the two branches or the two side chain substituents are present, that is a carbon number 1, and one side chain present, that is a carbon number 2. So at second carbon methoxy group is present, and at carbon number 1 there are two methyl groups, therefore 1,1 dimethyl, and the correct IUPAC name is 2-methoxy 1,1 dimethyl cyclobutane. So that is about the common and IUPAC names of these ethers. We had studied IUPAC and common names of phenol and ethers. Thank you.